What's up, guys? Mark here from VIP Shop Management. I just want to give you a quick updates on what have we done for the past 2 months and where we heading through this year. I mean, I'm trying to make up for the time, whatever each month with VIP Shop Management equals 6 months with the competitors. So whatever was missed last year will be compensated, and we'll be basically we'll be able to make up this time. You've seen the changes. Let's just look a couple things here. Dashboard is, we have one of the most smarter dashboard powered by AI. In progress up top right here. Best technician performance. And we have the paid invoices, your monthly sales and total performance, and your top technician, the paid. So this is genius on its own. Let's look right here on an invoice level. We can change the theme right here. Just go to it's my favorite. Now I promise to be adding all type of themes, and I might even make it custom at some point, but let's just stick where we have right now. Just put this up top. And so we have right here, like I said, we have AI estimate profit and invoice profit detailed. You can remove this, and it's kind of cool, like to see what's going on here parts, so you can see. I love that a lot, actually. And let's look at our summary right here. This is our summary. Let's look at another thing I'm working on right now. This week you'll have this update, probably in a couple days. Time clock. That's how time clock. It was basically fixed before to 8 technician. Right now a time clock, obviously it's dynamic. If you have one technician, it'll show one. If you have 50, show 50. So it doesn't really matter. And now in time clock you're gonna see basically a snapshot of how like a technician, whether on tech mode or service writer mode. You can the service writer and the technician, you can see a snapshot of when he clocked in and how many times he clocked in and his total hours and all that stuff. So so this is and it does have the manual clock out too. It's all combined right here. And let's go back to reports, and I'm working on this too right now. I'm trying to combine those 3 buttons in one. Basically this is our new grid for total hours. It's beautiful. I've been working on this a lot actually for yesterday. I wanted I think Shop Monkey trying to copy me right now, or they already copied me with the grid. I came up with the grid long time ago, and now we're trying to do with VIP Shop Management is to make it like more modern. So what are you seeing here? What's going on between these type of buttons, obviously, and the new the old VIP Shop Management? Right now VIP Shop Management is a hybrid app. And what I mean by that is this is the latest stuff from web pages. So this is a web page, but there's some genius into it that nobody understands. Why is it so fast even though if you have a slow internet? Well, let me explain why. Because this does not depend on your internet at all. This is these web pages are built into VIP Shop Management, so they are local. They basically are being used from the app itself. It doesn't need internet access, so keep that in mind. We still the other project. I think we are at 20% with the other project right now. I'm talking about the actual web application. That one obviously needs my touches in the end, but VIP Shop Management, like whatever we lost for the past year, we can be brought back. All the customers, some of our customers who left us made that massive mistake. Now they're basically paying $400 for something that doesn't look like this, and hopefully we'll bring him back all after all. So because VIP Shop Management is affordable, uses the latest technology, looks beautiful. We still have the most beautiful invoice that I created way back in 2020, I believe, or even further than that, and that one will be upgraded too. But enjoy. Keep any errors you see will be addressed. No worries about that. And let's go. Until next time, thanks for watching.